Hey there, this is Alyssa, the cute little snowball fairy from the January 2019 Sculpt Boxes. We're just here to show you what is inside of this month's Sculpt Box. So, right behind me, I'll show you all the goodies. We've got everything you need to make this adorable little baby doll. She is fully sculpted. I go through how to do her little teeny tiny toes and feet, including her little fingers and hands as well. Though if you prefer, you could easily just make gloves, make little boots. We've got some advanced information in here for you more advanced sculptors, while at the same time we offer modifications that you can make if you're just beginning. So rest assured that this project will be perfect for you regardless of your skill level. We go through a very thorough sculpting process that is sure to help you sculpt cute little baby dolls just like this one. So let's take a peek at what's inside the box. So we've got our basic elements. We always start with Pro Sculpt clay, and we will have some armature wire, a sculpting stick, some wing wire. We've got some mica powder for coloring your wings. We have some beautiful handmade eyes by my daughter, and these are available in a few different colors. We have a square of Angelina film for making the wings. We've got some foil for the armature, as well as some paper tape. We've got some hair for you. We've got a few colors to choose from. We've got some white clay for making your snowball. And we also have this little canister full of a glue that we use in the wing making process. So you can see you've just got oodles of supplies here, and the little fairy just ends up being so darling. Her wings ended up super cute. She's got this opalescent effect going on in the back on both wings, and also a leathery effect. So we've got both styles being represented here. Cute little outfit that shows off her body quite a bit, though if you don't feel like your sculpting ability is up to showing off the body yet, feel free to just give her a lot more of an outfit and just sculpt the parts that you feel comfortable with. Just keep it right at a level that works for you. Anyway, that's what we've got for you this month. Thanks so much for your support. Come and visit us at makingfairies.com or artdolls.com today and see what we've got for you.